Hi, thanks for joining me. I am in a Valentine swap, and it's the host is Patty. Patty is MommyNMe Crafts, and on YouTube and Instagram, I will put her link below. And for this swap, the requirement was to use a die that was a jelly bag, and then you could fill it with whatever you wanted. And it had to be a pretty good sized jelly bag, not just the little small ones. So this is what I came up with. You can make 2 and get 2, or you can make 1 and get 1. And then of course I've made one for Patty. So this will be for whoever my swap partner is, and that will be whoever she decides to send this to. And then after this one, I'll show you Patty's. I made hers just a tiny little bit different. But I know it's hard to see this because of, when I stand it up. So I just wanted to show you everything from here. And then I'll take everything out one at a time and show you what I've got in here. So I'm just really happy with how it turned out. Okay, so on the front of my purse, and this is a Scrap Diva Designs die. This is the jelly bag, and then I'll show you jelly bag number 2 when I show you Patty's package that I made for her. So this is a die I have. It's an XO. Isn't that cute? And then I've got some little jewels in there, and this is some Doodlebug Valentine paper, and then this is a cute little teddy bear die cut that goes with it. Isn't that cute? And then this is one of the hearts from Hobby Lobby that comes in a package. So I just glued those on. And then I glued this pom-pom on a paper clip. And then I have these bows. So I put that bow right there. So we'll start by looking at what's inside here, okay? I'm going to scoot that back. So, with a purse, you need sunglasses. I found these adorable sunglasses this year at Dollar Tree, and then I just glued that cabochon on. So that's just hanging on the side. And then if you've watched my swaps before, I just love to have things poking up all over the place from the basket. I mean, if you look at it again, can you just see all the cute stuff I've got poking up? I just think that makes it so cute. So I found these at Hobby Lobby this year. So that's what's in the back. And then these are from Dollar Tree. Isn't that gnome so cute? I'm afraid to repack this, you guys. I don't know if I'll get it looking as cute as what I first did, but anyway, it'll be fun to show you everything. Got these picks at Hobby Lobby. They come in pink and red. You get an assorted package. And then I just did a video to show how to make these. This has wire-wrapped beads inside. So if you want to see how to make these, be sure you watch my video. The bow is made from a plastic paper plate, and I talk about that in that video. And then I have a couple suckers. Got these at Dollar Tree, and these are really good. I love them. Then I filled this with some beads and a few things. These are pill boxes that they're actually in the craft section at Dollar Tree. So I glued this cute heart in the middle. And so I have some beads. These were actually curlers in the hair section at Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. There's a heart charm, a bell. This is a charm that says "Bite Me." Isn't that cute? Then some heart charms, some heart beads, and then these were at Walmart last year with Valentines. So I bought them for the locks and the heart, because I thought those were so cute, and they really open too with the key. And then these are some, the candy hearts. Those are charms. So I've got those in there. I want to put them back face up. This is some buttons. There's pink lips, red lips, and a heart. Oh, I guess, let me move this up. I hope I was in frame. There's those hearts. There's the lock from some Valentines at Walmart. And then those beads, and that's where I started. But I think that turned out really cute. Then in here is a chapstick. And this is a die from Scrap Diva Designs. Isn't that cute? And then I just glued some cardboard ephemera on there and some lips. I wrapped it with some string. And this is last year's Simple Stories Valentine collection. I just love it. I think that turned out super cute. And then I got the socks at Dollar Tree. And you guys, these are hair ties that Hobby Lobby has. And I got a whole bunch of them last year on clearance. They come in red and pink. And there's 2 to a package. And I think they were 75% off. Normally they're $2.99. And I've been wondering what I could do with them. I knew I could do something, so I bought a bunch. And this is what I did. I just put it around the socks. And then I made this little charm and laminated it on my I made it on my silhouette and then laminated it and hung it on a little chain. Isn't that cute? I think that turned out so cute. Then I do have 2 different videos. One video I show how to make these paper clips with spaghetti beads. And then another video, this is a haul I got from BB Craft as part of their YouTube program. I show you how to make these pin brooches with the charms on them. So then I just put some decorated vellum in the back, and I punched 2 little holes here to thread the pin through. The paper clip is just clipped on, and then a bag topper on top. And I think that turned out super cute too. And then, you know, like I mentioned, I like to stick things in the bag. So these are from Hobby Lobby, or you can get them at Dollar Tree as well. I took a straw, wrapped this pipe cleaner around it, glued a pom-pom. That's sticking up. These are straws from Hobby Lobby. Those look cute sticking up. And then I made this wand. It's a straw, and then I used some different ribbons and some pom-poms, and it's layered. And it's got some of these cute little Valentine's hearts as leaves, and a crepe paper rosette. And then these hearts came from Hobby Lobby. I made that rosette, and then I layered it with some ephemera and then Cupid. And I just think that turned out super cute. Then I have these little shovels. These crafters use these to stir and mix their sequin mixes. So I thought this was really cute. I had this charm in my stash, and of course it's going to match the cherries that I showed you that have the beads inside. So I thought that would go really good with it. Okay, then let's see if I can open this. These are yarn wrapped cardboard hearts, and they come from Hobby Lobby this year. They come in pink, red, and white. I went and bought a package of every color. I thought they were so cute. I just had these bags in my stash, and then I've put some crinkle paper in the bottom. And then I had these pins in my stash, so I've just pinned them onto the heart. And then I got a needle and I threaded these beads and added the string, so the person that gets this can hang it. And they can either take the pins off and use them, or they can just keep it as is. Isn't that cute? So then I just put it in the bag. And seal it. And then these felt hearts, they're either from Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree. They were in my stash. And then this is a little bear that I die cut, so I just glued him on top there. And then I did make a video on these Valentine beaded pens. So if you want to see that, you'll be able to find that on my channel. And I got these bags on Amazon. And then for the topper, I just folded a doily in half and put it on there with these cute lip clothespins, and you can get these at Dollar Tree. I thought that turned out really cute. And then, gotta have a treat, just a little treat for someone extra sweet. And then inside is a Hershey candy bar. I bought this on Etsy. So if you want to buy something like this, just get on Etsy and search for Valentine candy bar wrappers. And you can find cute things like this. And once you buy it, you can use the file as many times as you want. Okay, and then this is a little pocket that I die cut. And got a little charm here. And then these picks come from Dollar Tree. So I added the beads. And then these cute little flag dies. These are from Scrap Diva Designs as well. And I think that turned out super cute. And then this is a pick that I got from Michael's. And then I found this, I bought this on Etsy, this mail truck. And then you can actually buy these little packages and you print them out and fold them. So this is an Amazon box. This is just an envelope. You can see the mailing label. And then this is a prime envelope. And I just cut a slit. So I laminated it, cut a slit, and stuck those in there. And it's just a cute little decoration. I don't know what the recipient will do with it, but I just think it turned out darling. And then I just stuck that pick in there too. So that turned out really good too. I'm excited. And then I found these adorable vinyl zipper pouches at Dollar Tree in the school section. It says, "All you need is love." And I die cut out this little tag, and I made it double, and then I put a piece of this red shiny cardstock in between. And then I added that cute heart charm. I just think that turned out really cute. I need to do a video on this tag because it's a BB craft tag that I got with my haul, and I need to show it. Then inside, and I'm not going to open this up, but this is a keychain I put together. The keychain has lips, and I think I got those at Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. And then I added this heart. This is a hair tie, but I formed wire into a heart, and I threaded it through. And then there's a red heart behind, and a sucker, a key that says "I love you." And I just put it in there and then tied a bow, and I think that turned out really cute too. And then that's just inside my bag here. Can you believe how much stuff is in this bag? It's amazing what it will hold. And then I had these little sacks in my stash, and I cut out a piece of ephemera. I put some washi tape, and then I made these. This is a cotton candy die I have, and I put some sequins in there. And then I think this is Simple Stories, and I sewed through the middle. And then I have a die with this little bow. No, I take it back. These little bows came from Shara Crane. I bought some kits from her, and they were in the kits, and then I just added the little pom-pom. And then this is another die I have that's a perfume bottle. I added the shakers and put the sticker on there, and again, there's one of those cute little bows, and I added the pom-pom. And those just go inside this little sack. And I just have them kind of poking out like that. Then I got this Sprinkles face mask at Dollar Tree. I thought that would be cute because Valentine reminds us of candy, and Sprinkles is candy. And there's more. And then I had these cute little plastic houses in my stash. So I've added this little pouch here with a heart in it. Those are from my stash. And then these are erasers. I believe if you look back at my channel a ways, I did do a video last year around Valentine's Day on how you can turn erasers into charms. You just buy these little screw pins, stick them in, twist them, and then you got cute eraser charms. Oh, here's the front because I put that little sticker on there. So I thought that'd be fun to give. And then there's 2 more things in here. I also have a video on taking bubblegum beads and wrapping them with clear cellophane and tying them so that it looks like a bag of candy. So I've got those in there. And then the last thing is another envelope, and I filled with shaker and decorated it. And this is kind of broke here. Actually, no, I didn't make this. I take that back. I got this in a swap, and I'm just going to glue that right there. I hosted a Valentine swap last year, and this came in the swap. Isn't that cute? I can't remember who gave it to me, but it's darling. So, and then that's what the bag looks like when it's all empty. And I put a little bit of shred in the bottom to help everything poke up more. So, anyway, I'm excited about this swap. I'm excited for the recipient to see all these goodies. Now let me show you Patty's. Patty's has all of the same things. It's just, this is the jelly bag number 2. And you'll see, I don't know if I've lost the handle that goes with this or if it didn't come with the handle. I don't know. So I just made these handles. I just got some wire and I strung the beads, and then I wrapped I put eyelets here in the paper, and then I just strung the wire through the eyelets, and then to cover up the wire, I just glued these bows on, and I think that turned out super cute. You can see the back. There's the other handle. So yeah, it has all the same things in it. This one's for Patty for hosting, and then I'm also including one of my unracked, off-the-rack hand towels. These are microfiber washcloths, and they also sell hand towels and sponges. And this company is my niece's company, and I'm actually an affiliate. But these, let me show you my other one. I use these in my crafting, and I know Patty does too because I've sent her some. But, you know, when you're crafting, you have glue that you need to wipe off a lot, and so I just use these, and so does Patty. We use these to wipe off the glue from our projects, and they wash up super nice, and there's so many designs to pick from. So I chose this. I am also going to put that in Patty's bag. I didn't put one in this one, but I am putting one in Patty's. This will be the 3rd one I've given her now, and she loves them. So I will put my affiliate link for Unwrapped down in the description box. Feel free to go look. And then you can also find Unwrapped on Instagram and see how many uses there are for their towels and how cute all the designs are. And then the website that I link, of course, will show you everything they have. But I love these washcloths. You can use them in your bathroom, and then also the hand towels. I use them in my kitchen and in my bathroom. So, and in my craft room, like I showed. So anyway, that's all. This is going in the mail tomorrow to MommyNMe Crafts. I will put her link below. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some inspiration, and if you like my channel, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.